Good morning, dear students. Warmly welcome in the morning. Hope you all are fine. Beta, yesterday we have completed exercise 7.1. Let's start the exercise 7.2. It's very easy and interesting. Here is find the quotient and remainder without actual division. Beta, in exercise 7.1, you have divided all the numbers like this. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Like this you have divided. So here if we divide 42 by 10, then 10 4s are 40 minus 2. So 2 is here remainder and 4 is here quotient. Same we will find here quotient and remainder, but without actual division. हमने ये division नहीं करनी है. We will find directly. Then how it is possible? I will tell you now. First question is 140 divided by 10. See here, if we divide any number by 10, suppose 337 divided by 10, then 437 डिवाइड बाई 10. बेटा अगर यहाँ पे एक ज़ीरो है तो आपने एक डिजिट रिमूव करना है. मीन्स आपने लास्ट वाला डिजिट रिमूव कर देना है. फर्स्ट वन दैट इज योर क्वोशंट. सो योर क्वोशंट इज योर 43 और योर रिमाइंडर इज योर 7. इफ देयर आर डिवाइड बाय 100 मीन्स इन लास्ट टू डिजिट, टू zeros, so remove two digit. So it's your quotient. Quotient is 4 और remainder is 37. It's depend on your zeros. बेटा अगर वहाँ पे एक ज़ीरो है तो आपने एक डिजिट रिमूव कर देना है. मीन्स वंस प्लेस डिजिट आपका रिमाइंडर आ जाएगा और अनदर नंबर इज क्वोशंट. सेम हेयर, अगर आप 2 0 से डिवाइड कर रहे हो मीन्स 100 से डिवाइड कर रहे हो, देन यू विल रिमूव योर 2 डिजिट. आपने 2 डिजिट रिमूव करने हैं यहाँ पे. दैट इज योर क्वोशंट एंड रिमेनिंग पार्ट्स इज योर दैट इज योर रिमाइंडर और रिमेनिंग पार्ट्स इज योर क्वोशंट. So now here are 3 zeros, then you will remove your 3 digit. Remainder is 3075 और your quotient is 4. 3 zeros हैं तो 3 digit remove करेंगे, that is your remainder और remaining parts is your quotient. So let's start the question. बेटा आपको यहाँ पे डिवीजन करने की कुछ भी जरूरत नहीं है. Just you will write a statement same as given in your book. 140 divided by 10. I have drawn here two lines. Means first I have written here Q. Q means quotient. R means remainder. So how will you divide it without actual division? How will you find your answer? 10 divided by 10 means in last 1 0. So leave last digit. Last digit is 0. Remainder is here 0 or remaining parts is quotient. Quotient is 14. Same do here. 0 1 0 in last, leave 1 digit. 1 digit is 0 or remaining parts is 37. Same do in this question. Here is 1 0. बेटा आपने इसकी ज़ीरो चेक करनी है, इसकी ज़ीरोस नहीं चेक करनी. अगर आप 10 से डिवाइड कर रहे हो तो 1 डिजिट छोड़ोगे. अगर 100 से कर रहे हो देन लीव 2 zeros, 2 डिजिट. 1000 से देन 3 डिजिट. सो नाउ वी आर डिवाइडिंग हियर बाय 10. 1 0, लीव हियर 1 0. नाउ योर आंसर इज क्वोशंट इज 400. Now see question number 4. 89 divided by 10. 89 divided by 10. 1 digit means 10, so leave 1 digit. 9 is your here quotient, or 9 is your remainder, or 8 is your quotient. Same you will do this part. 2 parts you will do. 5 or 6 do yourself. Five or 6, and do this work in your notebook. Now see here question number 7. Beta, here are 2 zeros. Two zeros means 8,900 divided by 100. In 100 2 zeros, so leave 2 digit from back side. 2 digit आप बैक साइड से छोड़ोगे तो क्या आएगा आंसर? रिमाइंडर इज 0 और क्वोशंट इज 89. बेटा मैंने यहाँ पे 0 आपको समझाने के लिए 2 0 लिखी है, अदरवाइज यू कैन राइट सिंगल 1 digit 0. Okay, because 0 has no value, so you can write only 1 0. 2 0 divided by 100, so leave 2 digit. 2 digit means 2 0, so quotient is 156. I hope you all have cleared. Same divide by 100. 2 0, leave 2 digit. 55 is your remainder, or quotient is 32. Same question number 10. Do yourself this one part also. Now see question number 11. 45,670 divided by 1000. Here are 3 digits, so we will leave here 3 digit from back side. 076. It's your remainder, or quotient is here 45. Now in this question, divide by 1000, 3 zeros, so leave 3 digit from back side. It's your remainder, or 87 is your quotient. Do yourself this one question also. Now from 12 parts I have done 8 parts, or 4 parts you will do, and complete exercise on your book, on your notebook. Thank you and have a wonderful day.